You gonna do some more? Look, it made another hole. It ate up all the baking soda.
It ate all.
Tegan, what's happening between the baking soda and the vinegar? It's having a what?
It's having turning into bubbles.
Why? Yeah, it's turning to bubbles because of why?
Because I am using it over and over again.
And what's it called?
Vinegar.
Vinegar, but when the vinegar hits the baking soda, there's a what? You remember what I called it?
Yeah.
A reaction?
A reaction.
Yeah.